Yeah, yeah. All right. All right, y'all, let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Mic set up. Yo, yo. Yo, yo. Yes, sir. All right, all right. What's going on, y'all? We live on YouTube, Facebook, Facebook group, and Instagram up here. Live on TikTok down here. Let's go. Let some people get up in here. But I'm Lewis. I'm the owner of King Credit Services, the #1 rated credit management company in San Diego, top rated in California. Go live twice a day, just like this, y'all. Dropping gems for you. If you need a free consultation, don't hesitate. Shoot me a DM. Okay, DM me the word King. But I do these lives just to come on here and answer people's credit questions. You know, personal credit, business credit. There's no such thing as a stupid credit question or dumb credit question. We all started from somewhere, so you can drop it in the chat. You only have to ask it one time, you guys. You don't got to spam the chat. I'll get to it. If I end up not reading your question, it's because it got blocked, right? TikTok filters a lot of stuff sometimes. Okay, so, but the same thing for my folks on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. You guys can drop it in the chat, and I'll see it over here. But let's get into it, man. It's Free Game Friday. It's Free Game Friday. You know we going in. You know we going in. All right, and this background, you know, these are just client results. I'll switch this up throughout the live. We actually got some actual topics we need to cover today. So we'll jump on those topics after I answer a couple credit questions. All right, Lewis, good morning. Any update, bro? Alberto, I'll let you know when I can't give you an update if I don't get an update. Okay. My credit score 421. Emilio, we need to work on that, bro. Let's go. I've seen worse. Emilio, I've seen worse. So you can go ahead and shoot me a DM. Okay, DM me the word King. DM me the word King, Emilio. JP's, does paying early help out on score going up quickly? Like that 15-3 rule nonsense. No, that doesn't really help. That doesn't do anything. The only dates that matter is your minimum payment date and your statement date, right? Or statement date, or some people call it the closing date. Those are only two dates that matter. So as long as you're making your payment on those days, you're good to go. But for the statement date, you want to make sure you pay that balance down. You want your utilization in single digits. So you can use the card all month, right? You can use the card all month, but let's say your balance is 1,000, right? Your credit limit is 1,000, and your statement date's the 15th, right? So by the 12th, you want to pay that balance down to like less than $90. You know what I'm saying? Pay that down. So when it reports on the 15th, the utilization is low. All right. For me, what I did was I just put down I just changed my payment date to 3 days before my statement date, and then I put it on auto pay for the last statement balance. That's what I did. Drop us a gem right now, King. I just dropped it. Let's go. My credit score is 666. All right. You guys, when you just say your credit score, that doesn't really mean anything to me because you get approved or denied depending on your credit profile. So just by saying your score with no details, I can't really help you. Okay, I can't really help you. So if you're saying your score, I need to know what's your utilization, how many open accounts you have, and any negatives you have, right? Because that's going to paint a better picture. Okay, that's going to paint a better picture. Donovan, I paid off my car, 6,000 left, and it was my only on-time line of credit, but my interest rate was 12%. Yeah, Donovan, installment loans, would be a mortgage, auto loan, personal loan, pledge loan, anything like that. Pledge loan's a secured loan, actually, but it still counts as an installment loan. They're made to be paid off, so that's okay. He said that was my only. So, Donovan, you need to add some more positive accounts, bro. So, Donovan, hit the link in my bio, scroll down, it says starter accounts. I got the step-by-step in there. It's free. It's a Google Doc. Grab that Kovo, grab that extra card. Those two accounts, you don't get a hard pull. One's an installment loan, one's a revolving credit. So that's going to help you out. Get that rent reporters. That's going to backdate and then you can go get like a Capital One or something like that, right? But those 3 accounts right there reporting, okay, it's going to give you some age. Now you're going to have 3 or 4 open accounts. Now you can go apply for pretty much what you want to get. Thanks, I appreciate the answer. Got you. Yes, sir. Is TransUnion more important than Equifax? They're all important, Tovar. All important. I use my card and pay it to 0 on minimum payment date. Is that okay? Yeah, Jose, that's cool too, right? That's cool too. My credit score is 666 and being denied for mortgage. Robert, you're getting denied because your credit profile. So, like I just said, bro, I don't know what's on your report. If you have any negatives, you got any late payments, recent late payments, you got any charge-offs, collections, any of that stuff, you're going to get denied. Okay, that's going to get denied. My rate's stuck at 750. Mikey Main, that's probably due to you don't have enough open accounts. Your utilization is too high. Your age is too low. Like there's so many different factors. I need more info. All right. Thank you so much. Got you. It's Daniel. I'm 19. My scores are 702 and 707. It hasn't gone up since January 14th, bro. I mean, that was January 14th was what, 2 months ago? So if my 2 scores, yeah, Daniel, I can't, that doesn't really do anything for me, bro. Like how many credit cards do you have? How many installment loans do you have? I need some more information, you guys. So if you just say I'm 20 with a 760, that does nothing. I can't help you with that. Let's go. Hey. All right, I need more information. Donaldo, 760 average score, 8 open accounts, thanks to your guidance. Let's go. My man Donaldo about to hit that 800 club. Let's go. Jose, what's up? What's up? Is 800 good for Equifax? Sure. You guys, when you just, the score doesn't matter, okay? The score doesn't matter. We've been brainwashed to only look at the score. Okay, this took me a long time to understand. You don't get approved or denied because of the score, all right? The score is a reflection of your actual credit report, all right? So because you can manufacture a score pretty easily, really easy. You can get a secure card, get 10 authorized users, and your score will be at 800, but you're not going to get approved for anything, okay? Bro, I have no idea. No accounts open and my score is 615. How do I raise it, bro? Milio, hit the link in my bio, scroll down, it says starter accounts. I got a step-by-step in there for you. It's just a Google Doc. It's free. Okay, go run it up. I have 1 credit card. Okay, Daniel, that's not good enough. So that's good that you got started, but now it's time to add some more accounts. So if you have any more questions about accounts and stuff like that, if you have less than 5 primary accounts, hit the link in my bio, scroll down, it says starter accounts. I got some easy approvals on there for y'all to go run up. All right. Lexi Deha, what you do? I answer credit questions. I got a 5-star rated credit repair company nationwide. We have a client in every single state. So if you have a question, drop it in the chat. If you need a free consultation, shoot me a DM. Okay, DM me the word king. Let's work. Let's work. Went from 580 to 730 from September to now, 24 years old. 5 credit cards, all paid off, and 4-year history. Nice, nice. Adeline, that's really good. Now you can just add like an installment loan. That's gonna complete that credit mix. Okay, Adeline. So hit that link in my bio. Scroll down. It says starter accounts. For the installment loan, grab that Kovo. Okay, grab that Kovo. You guys, you're gonna hear me talk about Kovo a lot, right? I kind of replace Kovo. I replace Self-Lender with Kovo, right? I replace Self-Lender with Kovo. That's what happens. These products upgrade. They build off the top of each other. They get better and better and better. And I think Kovos are just a little bit better than Self-Lender right now. All right, so let's go. 1 late payment can denied for buying a house. Yeah, 1 recent one. If you just got a late payment last year, you can get denied pretty easily. All right, let me check Instagram real quick. Let me check Instagram. I got a letter. My late payment was valid. What's the next step? We move on to the next one. If you're a client, we do that for you. If you're not a client, grab that King Credit bundle. The bundle has all the step-by-step. So, if you already got the bundle, it walks you through all that stuff. All right. So Volca, yeah, go grab that bundle. Let's go. How many credit cards should I have? I only have 1. So, one unsecured card. So same thing. I talked about this already, you guys. So when it comes to the accounts, this is the last time I'm gonna say it. Hit the link in my bio, scroll down, it says starter accounts. All right, starter accounts. Go run up some of those. But in the beginning, you need about 2 credit cards and 2 like installment type loans. It's installment loan accounts, right? 4 or 5 primaries, you're good to go. Then you can build off of that. It took me a long time to understand my credit profile generates the score. Facts. Is Experian more accurate or Credit Karma? Experian. What websites do you use to check your credit? Isaiah, hit the link in my bio, scroll down. It says get your FICO score for $1. You can go run that up. I have one secured discovered card, 2% utilization in the personal loan on kickoff, 720 Equifax. All right, that's cool. So Xavier, so you can go. So you need some more positive accounts, bro. You need some more primary accounts. My bad. So hit the link in my bio, scroll down, go grab that Kovo, go grab that extra card, and go grab that Rent Reporters. So now you'll have 5 total primary accounts. Your credit profile will no longer be classified as like a thin credit profile, and you'll be good to go. Let's work. Let's work. Big boy, my score is 781, 801. I'm 28. I have 22 credit cards, 2 auto loans, 145, 13K. That's good. Yeah, that's a great profile right there. Octavia, what's up? What's up? Hey, just say Murray. Hold on. You guys, don't be soliciting up in my chat. That's the quickest way to get blocked. All right. You want to grow your following? Get your ass to work. Get your ass to work. You ain't gonna jump on my live. No, that's not how we getting down. Don't get blocked now. King, can you give the spelling of the new lender? Is it with a C or K? Kovo with a K. Kovo with a K. Kovo with a K. How long should I continue to build credit for before buying a car? I have 1 year, 19-year-old, 759. Brandon, how many open accounts do you have? How many open accounts do you have? Eho the Genius, weak ass score. These are all client results. So if you were, I can tell you're young. Your frontal lobe ain't all the way developed. I can tell. All right. So when you jump in somebody's live, pay attention first. Ask a question. See what people are talking about. You would have found out that these are just client results. This person started in the 500s. All right. So Eho the Genius. Okay. Now I got to pin the comment. All right. Now you got to do the walk of shame. Okay. Because you're being negative in the chat. All right, we don't condone that on my live. No negativity when it comes to this credit stuff. People really trying to get help out here. All right, so do better, bro. How to build credit after collections? Well, you can dispute those collections while you build your credit. So just building your credit is the easy part. You just got to add some easy positive accounts, pay on time, and then your score will grow and your credit report will get better over the years. Right? Just adding positive accounts, that's the easy part. The hard part is disputing all those collections, updating your personal info, all that stuff. That's the difficult part. Okay, so user, if you need some easy approvals, just hit the link in my bio, scroll down, it says starter accounts. All right, if you need to dispute those collections while you add those accounts, also in my bio, it says King Credit Bundle. All right, King Credit Bundle, you can go run that up. I just use Chase to check my score. Okay. I have 2 credit cards. Hold on. Where'd it go? There we go. I have 2 credit cards. How long do we let the starter account sit for before applying for biz? I mean, you want to have some decent age. List, what type of credit cards are they? My score 599, 658. How do I delete my bad accounts? You're gonna get your credit report, find inaccuracies, and we dispute. That's the quick version. If you need the full version, hit the link in my bio, scroll down, it says King Credit Bundle. That got all your sauce in there, all your letters and everything. Do Rent Reporters work with private landlords? Me and my mom rent a house. Yeah, it still works. 63 utilization, should I add a $10,000 credit limit? Emilio, no, you should pay down your balances, bro. Fix the problem. Pay down your balances. That's what you need to do. Okay? Come on now. Can I be a moderator? These comments be sending me. No, let them cook. They think they cooking. Let them cook. It's okay. You need a little friction once in a while in the chat. It keeps the conversations going. I'm gonna have one credit card with 715 score. Can I open one again? Yeah. Caddy Chow. Hit the link in my bio. Scroll down. It says starter account. So you got one credit card. All right. So you got one account. Next, grab that Kovo. Okay, that's gonna be an installment loan. That's gonna help with your credit mix. So boom, that's 2 accounts. The third one, get that extra card. That's gonna be another revolving account. Kovo and extra card, you don't get a hard inquiry, right? So you can get 2 more accounts with no inquiry. So now you're up to 3. Grab that rent reporters if you can. Now you're up to 4. Once all those report, now you're ready to go get you like a Discover or something like that, right? Now it's time to build on top of it. Okay, but building the foundation is easy, you guys. A couple starter accounts, easy approvals, and then you can build off of that. It's not that difficult. Does having more credit cards and using them, then paying them off, increase your score quicker? I mean, yeah, that's the goal. That's kind of what you want to be doing. It doesn't really build your score. That's not really so. Just doing that, making on-time payments, building that credit history. That's what's going to build your score. But by using your credit cards, keeping them active, paying them down, it helps in the long run because now you can get credit limit increases. It shows activity. It shows that you're responsible. It shows that you can handle multiple different types of accounts, different types of debt. You know what I'm saying? So that's what it helps more. Helps with more. I just gave my car back. Oh shit, that's a voluntary repo. Yeah, that's a voluntary repo. We got to work now. I have all 3 credit scores at 700 plus, and I still get denied on a pre-approval credit card. Win Love. I don't know how to say that, but yeah. So you got a 700, so that means your credit profile is not good, right? So you can have a 700 with 1 account. That's not doing nothing. All right. So how many open accounts do you have? Molly Lux, bro, talking about credit with a 693. These aren't my scores, bro. These are all client results. Every time I have to say that. All right. So I'm gonna let that slide. All right. It's about to be a block party in this thing. Do you do that? Yeah, my company does. So if you need a free consultation, y'all, don't hesitate. Shoot me a DM. Okay, DM me the word king. Let's go. What should my first unsecured card be? Ooh. Wait, do you have any open accounts, Xavier? Do you have any open accounts? Because that's going to switch. That's going to alter my answer. Just send to them to update my address. I have all secondary frozen. Nice. Good job, Rashida. Let's go. Can I dispute my loans from college? I only did a year. It's been 5 years. If they're paid off or closed or transferred, you can dispute them. If they're open student loans, don't dispute them. Do I pay unsecured credit card down to 0 or leave a balance? Wait. Do I pay unsecured down to 0? I would leave a little balance, like a little something, like $5-10, right? Keep it easy. Let's make it easy. $5-10 on there. Let me see what she said. Stephanie, I just gave my car back. How would that look while I'm trying to work on my credit? It's a voluntary repo. That's I hate to say, it's one of the worst things that you could have did. And it's one of the worst things. So when that hits your report, it's going to report as a repo. So it is what it is. I'm sure you had to do it. No judgment over here. But once it's repo, now it's time. You can still dispute it too. So there's going to be a little process, right? So now that they repo the car, they're going to sell it in the auction in like 30 to 60 days. Once they sell it in the auction, a lot of the times they don't update the credit report. So let's say your car was 20K, right? They sell it in the auction for 15K, right? But 20K is still reporting on your credit report. That's inaccurate because 20 minus 15 is 5. So 5K is supposed to be reporting instead of 20. I'm just using easy numbers to work with, you guys. I know I just want to make it as simple as possible. So long story short, when they sell your car in the auction, they're supposed to update your credit report, but a lot of times they don't. So that's when you go in, you call the repo company, you get the bill of sale. You just got to tell them your name and the VIN number, and you just need proof that they sold that car and for how much. And then we can use that documentation to go dispute that bankruptcy off your report. That repo off your report. Some people do it differently. Some people do promissory note way. Some people just go find the inaccuracy on the account. We do it that way. It's a little bit more thorough. And the thing is, if that way don't work, then we can do the other ways too. You know what I'm saying? But that's just the first way. That's just the most thorough way that we found, over the years to work for repos. Okay. Cobalt. What does Cobalt mean? How to remove bankruptcy off your report. Chrissy, that's a great question. All this stuff I'm about to give you right here, you can go download it, hit the link in my bio, get the King Credit Bundle. It has the bankruptcy removal guide with the letters in there. So for bankruptcy, okay, yeah, I'm just breaking it down for you real quick. Let me pin the comment too. So for bankruptcies, this is a thorough way to do it, okay? You want to reach out to the court, okay? So if it's court of wherever you're at, California, wherever you're at, right? Reach out to the court. You're going to tell them this letter's in the bundle. You're pretty much going to tell them, hey, I got this bankruptcy is on my credit report. They told me that they got this information directly from you. Do you even report this information to them? They're going to send you back a response saying the clerk. Not the clerk. Yeah, the clerk's going to send you a letter pretty much saying, yeah, we don't report to credit reporting agencies. So once you get that court response, now you can dispute with LexisNexis. Okay, this is where people get tied up a little bit. So once you dispute with LexisNexis, okay, if they delete it, now you can move on to the next step, disputing with the bureaus. Sometimes LexisNexis say, we got this from your PACER report, okay? So your PACER, that's where all your public information's about bankruptcies, evictions, and all that stuff, right? If you go to court, it's probably gonna be on your PACER report. So if LexisNexis says that, you gotta pull your LexisNexis report, pull your PACER report, find the inaccuracy on your LexisNexis and dispute it that way. All right, but once it's removed, now we can dispute with the big three. I'll walk you through all those steps though, right? So you don't have to remember it. I typed it up. It's all ready to go for you. If you have a bankruptcy, grab the King Credit Bundle, you guys. Grab the King Credit Bundle. Go run it up. Let's go. Okay. How many credit cards should I have at 22? I mean, the age, it's not the age, bro. You just want to have you at least 4 or 5 primary accounts before you start trying to go get a Discover or Chase Sapphire. Like these good cards, you want to have a good foundation first. So you need 2 credit cards and 2 installment loans. Let's keep it simple, okay? And I have all those accounts. Hit the link in my bio, scroll down, it says starter accounts. They're all on there. It's a Google Doc. Go run it up. What should be my second credit card be? What's the first one? I have a secured card. Okay. So Xavier, your second one should be that extra card. I've already broke this down for you, bro. The extra card. Hit the link in my bio, scroll down, it says starter accounts. Go run it up. All that stuff's in there. What to do about a new repo. I just went over the repos. What's good, bro? I disputed the missed payment yesterday. This bro from yesterday. Hey, let's go. Ain't nothing like the live results, man. Can't nobody take away these. Let's go. Let me screenshot that. I requested assistance 3 months ago from you and no reply. Alexis, that's not true. Don't do me like that. It's actually impossible because we have autoresponders and stuff like it. It's impossible for you not to get a reply from us. So you must have one of these scamming pages. A lot of scam pages copy our names and stuff. One of these scamming pages must have reached out to you and got you. But that don't even make sense. You can ask anybody in the chat. I even answer my DMs personally on TikTok. All right, so that's impossible. So Alexis, if you want to shoot me a DM, okay, shoot me a DM me the word King. After this live, I'll reach out to you. But to say you requested assistance, you got no reply, that doesn't make it. It's physically impossible. It's physically impossible. It doesn't. It's not possible. Like if you send us a text to our customer service number, if it sits in the chat for an hour, it automatically sends you something. So that's how I know it's impossible. Okay. Skincare, Hussy. How long does it take to repair credit? Depends what's on your report, right? If you're seeing someone that says we guarantee any dates, that's illegal. Run the other way. All right. I don't care what they say. I don't care. Okay. That doesn't matter. Real credit repair companies know we can't guarantee results. All right. But I'll give you some timelines though. So when clients sign up for us, usually like 90%, 92% of clients, they start to see some changes within that first 35 days. All right. But then we usually need 3 to 6 months to get your report how we want it to look. Sometimes it's sooner, sometimes it takes a little bit longer, but we're transparent. We're never just gonna, even if we get bad results one round, we're not gonna duck you or, not respond. Okay, because it can go like this. Round 1, trash. Round 2, nothing, no response. Round 3, 100 deletions. Okay, that happens all the time, right? That happens from time to time. Or it can go first round, 100 deletions. Second round, 20 deletions. Third round, nothing. Fourth round, 1 deletion. Fifth round, everything's gone. Okay, so it's the consistency. You have to switch up the way you dispute, and yeah, we got a whole process that we use. But yeah, that's the answer. You notice all my answers is specific to that question. You know what I'm saying? There's no really general statements because in credit repair, no one credit report's the same, right? So there is no cookie cutter answer, right? So that's why when someone asks me a question, I need some more details, especially if you just say, hey, my credit score is this. I'm like, bro, and I need some more details, right? You should see my DMs. Hey, I got an 800 credit score, but I keep getting denied for everything. What's on your credit? I got a secured card and an authorized user. Well, that's not enough. Simple, right? Little stuff like that. Don't listen to this guy. Haters. Yes. What's up, hater? We got some haters in the chat. Let's go. Hold on, let me get, hold on. It's free game Friday. Hold on. What's up, hater? Hater in the chat. What's the issue, man? It's Friday. Why you so upset? I got approved for 2 unsecured cards with no accounts in my name, 2K. That's not, damn, Liz, that usually doesn't happen. You got lucky. So now, Liz, you need to get that Kobo, get that rent reporters. Now you're gonna have 4 primary accounts. Now you're ready to go do what you're gonna do. You can even add a authorized user on there for some razzle dazzle too. But after you get your after you have about 4 or 5 primary accounts on there. They are great. Let's go. You better stop playing. I saw changes in the first 18 days when King's team started working on my credit. Let's go. But he says everybody's file is different. Facts. Hey, what do you do when a company sells the debt and they start sending you bills to pay 50% of the debt? That's what happens, bro. So let's say you have an open account. Whatever happened, you stop paying it, you lose your job, whatever it happens. The account closes. If they can't collect from you, they charge off that account. All right. And then that charge off gets sold to a collection agency or transferred to a collection agency. And now the collection agency owns the debt and they want to collect from you. But here's the thing, that collection agency, they need to prove some stuff first. They need to prove that they collect in your state. They need to prove that they properly was assigned or bought that debt, right, with an assignment contract or a purchase agreement or something like that. So when you send that validation letter, if they can't do it, it's pretty easy to get it removed if they can't validate it. Sorry, I just joined in. How are you helping us? You see all these questions in the chat? People just come in here, ask their credit questions, personal credit, business credit, and they get the questions answered. All right. But if you need a free consultation, don't hesitate. Shoot me a DM. Okay, DM me the word King. What can I do to boost my credit when my student loan is deferred and I just got a car note? Jerica, what other accounts do you have? What's rent reporters? I mean, it kind of says it in the name. Rent reporters. Report your rent, right? So you can report your rent. It's a company that reports your rent. It's going to backdate 2 years also. So it's going to give you a nice little age, little primary, okay? Do you need your own apartment to have rent reporters? No. You can be living with your grandma, mom, dad, parents, whatever it is, college, you can still use rent reporters. I want to buy a house with a 756. Is that a good idea? 600 car payment, 42 a year. 42K a year. Well, I mean, it depends on where you live at. If you're in California, I wouldn't do it. Because that $600 car payment, that's without insurance too. So you got another 200 on top of that. Yeah, man, you gotta be strategic when you do it. But if you're already renting, depending on where you are, your rent is probably more than what your mortgage would be. So yeah, you qualify though with a 756, right? So when it comes to these mortgage loans and stuff like that, you guys, it needs to be not only state specific, but it needs to be county specific, because there's like little, this is how government assistance works, right? So the state gets funded, and then each county gets allocated a percentage of those funds, right? So that's how they're able to do down system payment, down payment assistance, grants, and all that type of stuff. So that's where they get the money from. So each county is going to have its own little programs and stuff like that, right? So a program in San Diego might be completely different program up in San Francisco, right? Program in San Diego County is going to be different than one in Flint, you know what I'm saying, Flint, Michigan, or something like that. Okay, so not only state specific, but you can go one thing lower and go county specific too. All right. Damn, I'm dropping bars, man. Let's go. Free Game Friday. Yeah. Let me check Instagram. Yeah. Yes, sir. All right, nobody on my YouTube, homie. Hey. Bro, and he be holding my YouTube down. Let's go, man. You still ain't sent me your shirt size and your address, bro, so I can shoot you a shirt. Let's go. Okay. I pay my car note on time, by the way, and have a credit card. Okay, that's good. So one installment. So the car is going to count as an installment loan. All right. Credit card. So you can grab the extra card and rent reporters. Okay. I think it's because I was an authorized user for 13 years on my mom's card. Damn. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, man, that's a blessing right there. She said she was on her mom's card for 13 years. Man, people don't realize how much of a blessing that is, right? For your parents to give a damn about you enough to even add you to the account. You know what I'm saying? Man, that's a blessing. Let's go. How do you start working on your credit? Simply China. If you want to do it yourself, hit the link in my bio, grab that King Credit Bundle. That's going to have everything you need, step by steps and everything. There's also a link in there that says Fix Your Credit in 5 Steps webinar. It's free. You can watch that. It's 45 minutes. We go over credit reports, how to find inaccuracies, basics of credit, all that stuff in a quick 45-minute chunk, and you'll be good to go. Let's go. Sorry, it's a kickoff credit loan and credit builder loan and a Discover. All right, yeah, so Xavier, you can go grab, so you're covered with the installment loan. So go grab rent reporters and the extra card. Actually, you can grab rent reporters and like the Capital One Platinum unsecured card, actually. All that stuff, hit the link in my bio and it says starter accounts. You can go run it up. I'm 19 with a 689 credit score. Swipe him. How many open accounts you got, bro? Will Kovo bring my credit down if I use Kickoff? No, it won't. So if you got Kickoff, you don't need to do Kovo. You know what I'm saying? You don't want a whole bunch. You don't want Credit Strong, Self, Kovo, and Kickoff. Like, you don't want too many. You can have one or two, but Kovo, it doesn't. You don't get a hard inquiry. But just remember, anytime you add a new account to your credit profile, your average credit age lowers. It's just an equation, right? It's just division. Okay, thanks. So do I start answering their letters for trying to collect the debt they bought? Yeah, you want to respond. So this is the biggest problem I see when it comes to collections. People ignore that first dunning letter or first letter from the collection agency. All right. So you don't want to do that. As soon as you get a collection letter, you want to respond immediately. So in the King Credit Bundle, it says validation, right? There's validation letters in there. That's what you want to send to the collection agency, all right? Or if they call you, you can just say, if they call you, can just say, I don't want to speak on the phone. I only want to speak via mail. I only want to communicate via mail with the address you have on file, all right? If they call you on the phone. If something is removed off your credit, will you still be obligated to pay the debt? Most of the time, no, but sometimes, yes. So I say sometimes, like, because just getting something off your credit report, yeah, it doesn't automatically remove you from payment, from paying that account. So, like evictions, I go over this a lot. So, like people, when we dispute evictions, right? We get an eviction off your credit report. The landlord or the property manager, they still own that debt, all right? So they can still sue you. You know what I'm saying? So a lot of times we have to handle, we'll help you negotiate a settlement outside once it's removed from your credit report. But, you know, 9 out of 10 times, if you get a collection removed, you're good to go. But sometimes you may be still obligated to pay. But yeah, it doesn't happen all the time, but, you know, I'm transparent about everything. So it happens from time to time, though. How do you report your rent? Tina, hit the link in my bio. Hit the link in my bio. Scroll down. It says starter accounts. Homegrown cat, you read like a third grader. When you have multiple comments coming in at once, man, you got to pay attention. But another hater. Let's go. Yes. Let's go. I'm going to let you slide, too. I'm not even going to kick you. I'm not even going to block you, bro. I'm going to just let you stay in here and learn something. All right, learn something. Where should I check my business credit? NAV and Credit Safe isn't detailed enough. So you can go directly to the websites like Experian Business. You can go to SBFE. You can check directly on there. But NAV is detailed. So you might not have enough reporting on your reports. That might be the problem. So when you go on NAV, you click the report. You can click the actual report and it'll show you the stuff on there too. So. Junior, what's good? What's good? Xavier, you keep asking these same questions, bro. All right, I told you the step-by-step on what to do already, okay? How do you fix your credit that was a 730 and it dropped to 580 because of 25K of credit card debt? Yeah, you got to pay your balances down. That has nothing. Yeah, that's just utilization. That's very common. You got to work on paying them balances down. Your score go back up. Simple. King's team give you great info when you reach out. I would dare say the best one out there. Ooh, let's go. It's Free Game Friday. You know, we going hard. We going hard. Yeah. She said, where's my shirt? I'm weak. You're going to, Mimi, you'll get one in the mentorship. You'll get one in the mentorship. So even if we don't get to the subscribers we're trying to get to, you'll still get yours. How accurate is Credit Karma's score? The scores are Vantage scores, so it's not about accuracy. It's a different scoring model. It's not the same. It's not a FICO score. All right. So if you're using Credit Karma, CreditWise, Credit Sesame, Identity IQ, Smart Credit, all of them use Vantage scores, right? So you just need to be using these platforms to monitor your accounts. That's the important thing anyway. Monitor your accounts, all right? But if you need your FICO scores, hit the link in my bio, scroll down, it says get your FICO score for $1, all right? I have one late payment on my car loan. It's showing potentially negative. How can I remove that? Naya, yeah. See, unique name. Hit the link in my bio, scroll down, it says King Credit Bundle. The bundle is going to have the step-by-step for the late payments with the letters and everything with it. Should I remove myself from a card with 9T? What's 9T? Only got one. Yeah, swipe him. So hit the link in my bio, scroll down, it says starter accounts. There's a little section in there. It's not a little, it's a big section in there that says, do you have less than 5 open accounts? Or if you're new to credit, follow these steps, okay? It's not bad. You're just getting started. That's all it is. How do you go about disputing collections so you treat them differently? Not really. You can treat them the same. The King Credit Bundle got the step-by-step for the collections. But some other ways for medical collections, some little slick stuff. How many people we got? I'm about to drop some gems. Hold on. 170. Okay. 10, 20, 20. So we have about 250 all together. Let's go. So on top of all the game I give you on how to dispute collections, medical collections, you can take it a step further. Okay. So when you send that validation letter, I'm gonna give y'all two different ones that people really don't talk about. When you send that validation letter to the collection, to the medical for that medical collection, a lot of times they do validate the debt, but they send too much information. So boom, I send a validation letter over. I need this, this, and this. They send some stuff back, right? They send you back documentation of your blood type, procedures you got done. They got your social on there. That's a HIPAA violation. So even if they validate the debt, if they overdo it, we still got them. We can hit them with a HIPAA violation and get that item removed. If they don't provide the proper documentation, it has to be removed anyway, right? So either way, we got them. Another way is for medical collections. If it's less than 500, it's not supposed to be reporting on your credit report. So this is what you do: contact the hospital, not the collection agency, the hospital, because even though hospitals use collection agencies, if you contact the hospital directly, they would rather take that money than have the collection agency do it. You know what I'm saying? So contact the hospital directly and you tell them, hey, I came into a little bit of money. I want to do a payment plan, right? Tell them you can do $25 a month, some little, right? Boom. Once you send that payment over, okay, get the receipt, right? And what did I say earlier? They can't be, I didn't say it yet. So if you've made a payment, if it's less than 500, it's not supposed to be reported, number one. Another thing, if you've made a payment in the last 12 months, it's not supposed to be reporting either, right? So boom, we made that $25 payment. You get that receipt, okay? So now what? We made a payment in the last 12 months, right? We can take that receipt. Now we can dispute with the credit bureaus, use their own stuff against them, right? Not their stuff, but we can use, the laws against them. So that's just a couple more ways for the medical collections. Let's go. Should I remove myself from a 9-year-old credit age but has high balance? That's a tough one. 9 years of age, I would stay on. I would stay on it, and just tell the person pay their balances down, right? If it's maxed out though, if it's maxed out, you do want to get off. But 9 years is hard to come by, you guys. Bro, 5-year accounts are hard to come by nowadays, right? A 5-year account with no late payments, with low utilization. So if you find a 9-year, just tell the person, hey, bro, you're killing me over here, right? Pay this shit down. Let's go. K on TikTok. Can a late payment be removed after I settle the account? Yeah. So once you settle the account, we're not disputing just the late payment though. We want to dispute the whole account. It's easier to get the whole account removed than just that one late payment. All right, okay. So if you want to dispute that account, that's going to be it's going to be like a paid collection or just a paid account. When you hit the link in my bio, it says King Credit Bundle. You can grab that. It has your step-by-steps on how to dispute it with the letters and everything too. Important question. What a credit card offers ETC? Wait, like the tax credit? Low interest rate. Oh, wait. Oh, not the tax credit. You said etc. Important questions. What a credit card offers. Low interest rate, annual fee, rewards. I was like, damn, bro. You including tax credits into a credit card question? That's crazy. But wait, important questions. Yeah, those are all important. The annual fee, the interest rate, the rewards. Yeah, those are all important things, right? But in the beginning, when you're first getting started, you just trying to build up your report. You're trying to build up your profile, right? And in turn, build up that score in the beginning. And then once you kind of establish, then you can start, getting picky. If this annual fee is too much, or if this, you can start getting picky. But in the beginning, just worry about getting positive accounts and building it up. Pam, I'm starting today. Let's go. Signing up today. Can't wait to start my credit journey with you. Let's rock. Let's rock. You guys, if you need a free consultation, DM me the word King. All right, DM me the word King. My credit on Experian is up different from my Credit Karma. Which one is correct? Experian is correct. Experian is correct because it's an actual FICO score. FICO scores are what lenders use. So Credit Karma isn't wrong or inaccurate. It's just a different score. Okay. Swipe him. I've already told you what to do, bro. You keep saying the same thing. I already broke that down for you, my brother. Will a paid charge off negatively affect my credit? And if so, how do I go about disputing? It's not that it's a paid charge off. It's because it's a charge off, right? So when it became a charge off, it already hurt your credit, right? So paying it's not really going to help you out. Mika, what's up? Paying is not really going to do anything for you. So yeah, I would start disputing it, Denisha. What capital credit card should I pick? Xavier, hey, Xavier. Hey, you one of them people that don't like to listen. Hit the link. All right, go to my profile. It says Linktree/King Credit Services. Click that link. Now you're on my Linktree. Scroll down. It says starter accounts. Click that. It's a Google Doc. All these questions you're asking, it's on there. All the answers. King is the baddest man on the credit repair midday. I'm weak. Let me screenshot that. Let's go. All right, hold on. Let me scroll back up, y'all. I done messed my spot. Damn it. Brittany Michelle, here we go. What score is used to buy a house, or all lenders different? Yeah, you have to ask the lender, but they're going to use that. There's a mortgage FICO score, right? And they can also use your FICO 2, your FICO 5, so kind of just have to ask the lender. That's why it's important to have a good credit profile. All right. If your profile is good or decent, all your score is going to be good or decent. Score drop 100 points for no reason. My history is perfect. Why? That girl Jay, your utilization. That sounds like 100 points. Ooh, you might want to be careful. Ooh, 100 points. That's starting to sound like a late payment. That's what that sounds like. But it could be utilization too. So all that could have happened was, you used your credit cards last month. You didn't pay it all the way off, and it reported it. Next month, you can pay it off. You'll be good to go. Please, can you fix my credit? Let's work. Shoot me a DM, okay? DM me the word King, y'all. We got a lot of specials going on all month. King James, 9 years, Lou. Yeah, 9 years is good. I wouldn't let that go. How do you remove derogatory inquiries from car dealership, but I never bought cars, 6 inquiries? Loyal, you're going to get your credit report, highlight inquiries not attached to open accounts, and we're going to call and dispute. I give you the step-by-steps and the call and the scripts and the numbers and everything all for free. Just hit the link in my bio, scroll down, it says how-to guides. How-to guides. I got a guide on there for personal info, for inquiries, charge-offs, collections, late payments, bankruptcies, repos, paid collections, and closed accounts too. All on there for free. Y'all can go run it up. Just paid off $2,100 debt. When will my credit go back up? Peyton, you got to give it some time, bro. Got to give it some time. At least 30 days. Can you remove an auto loan off your credit? Like an open auto loan, we wouldn't dispute that. We wouldn't even dispute that. If it's a charged off or repo, we can dispute that. EJ, personal. Personal what? I just joined. What should I do about collection accounts? My Machiavelli, if you want to dispute it yourself, hit the link in my bio, grab that King Credit Bundle. That's going to have all your step-by-steps, the little videos in there. It's going to have your letters to go with it too. So that's the quickest way, bro, if you want to do it yourself. If you want my company to do it, shoot me a DM. DM me the word King. Miss Flawless, no, I need your help. Let's work. Shoot me a DM. DM me the word King. I need to delete inaccurate addresses and stuff off my credit report. Oh, if it's just addresses, you don't need me for that. Here. Yeah, you don't need me for that. Hit the link in my bio, scroll down, it says how-to guides. I got the step-by-step for personal info on there, the numbers to call, the script to say, and all that. Yeah, go run it up. I'm not going to charge you for that. Swipe him, bro. Oh my goodness. I'm trying to be nice. I'm trying to be nice, bro. Please stop spamming the chat. When you spam the chat, if there's a question in between your spamming, that question gets skipped. That question gets skipped. Question gets skipped. Let's go. I didn't hear nothing. Well, bro, you can't ask the question, then leave. How long do you consider good credit history? Technically, what it's supposed to be like 7+ years. But in this day and age, bro, this day and age, you got 3-4 years of age, no late payments. You doing all right, bro. You doing good. You doing cool. Let's go. At its max, but I have 8-year credit age. Oh, wait, so if you remove that authorized user, you'll still have 8 years of age? Then if that's the case, you can take it off. Yeah, if that's the case, you can take it off. Bro, you didn't say nothing to me. Swipe him. I did, bro. You didn't listen. Don't do me like that. No, maybe I replayed it live. Don't do that. Don't do that. I'll get that clip where I answer your question. I'll post that shit. Don't do me like that. This is the man. Let's go. 660 or higher for mortgage. Facts. Let's go. And this is my I got 2 official tax people. Mika Finance, she's one of them, and Campbell Solutions is another one. But V's on here. Mika's on here right now. Businesses, personal taxes, y'all need to get right. Hit up Mika. Hit up Mika. You know what I'm saying? Once you become inside the circle, I don't ask for no referral fees or bonuses or nothing like that, right? If somebody needs their taxes done, go over there. If somebody needs some social media stuff, I'll send you to the social media people, right? That's how it should be. Okay, you should just want to point people in the right direction. All right, but yeah, if y'all need them taxes done, holla at Mika. Let's go. What makes a good credit profile? Blakely, that's the kind of questions. There we go. There we go. So in the beginning, it's not that difficult in the beginning, right? So you just need you a couple accounts, right? You can get you, if you got like a secured card and then the extra card, right? So we're good on revolving credit. Then you get you a Kovo and like a Rent Reporters. So now we're good on the installment loan and we got a low age. So we got our 4 primary accounts. Once those report, now we can move on to, you don't want to jump straight to an Amex, right? You want to build it up. So get you a little Capital One or a Discover, right? Let that report a couple months later, then you can go up. You know what I'm saying? So, but in the beginning, it's easy. In the beginning, it's easy. The hard part is getting all these damn deletions, right? They make it sound so easy, right? They make it, go claim identity theft. Go get a police report. Go commit fraud. It's like, dude, no. That's not how we getting down, okay? Actual credit report takes some time, y'all. Take some time. That's why I'm transparent about everything, okay? So if you see someone guaranteeing results, they're not run the other way, okay? If they're using Cash App for payment, run the other way, all right? If they're freezing all your credit reports and then claiming identity theft and doing stop, you guys. If they're doing secret codes in Credit Karma, these aren't credit repair people, you guys. It's ridiculous. All right, so those are a couple red flags. Now, there are some people out here that's doing it right. Okay, you can tell the difference. It's very easy to spot. All right, let's go. Simply China, how do you start business credit? There's only 3 ways to build business credit. The first one and the easiest is just leveraging your personal credit, right? So that's why you're going to need your personal credit later down the road anyways. So that's why I tell people you need to get that personal credit right. If your personal credit is trash, okay, start working on it. And then you can do the second option. Second option is you know how you can add an authorized user on your personal side? You can add like an aged term loan onto your EIN, right? So you buy it, they put it on there, then they backdate it. Okay. So that's like a business trade line right there. So you can hit the link in my bio. I got some of those available. Those are a little bit more expensive. We have some different options, but just imagine if you go to the dealership and you got a $150,000 term loan reporting, right? Your score is going to be looking great, okay? And you know, lenders go by comparable credit. You know what I'm saying? So if you got a $100,000 term loan reporting with perfect payment history, of course you're going to get approved for a 20K car, 25K car, 50K car, because you already got the proof that you can handle that type of debt. All right, so that's the second way. Third way is just the net 30s, you know. NAV reports. NAV's a good one. Uline, Granger, CEO Creative. There's hundreds of them, right? So the only thing you have to be careful with the net 30s. Okay, you kind of have to pay to play, right? You got to pay to play, so that shit gets expensive. Okay. And another thing is you can build your Paydex. You can get equipment and car loans with that Paydex and everything. But the bank really don't care about your Paydex score. All right, so just keep that in mind. So that's the 3 ways to build your business credit. Pam just signed up. Let's go. That girl Jade, my score dropped 100 points. My utilization is under 15. No late payments. So that girl Jade, your score just don't drop like that. So something hasn't reported yet. Okay, something hasn't reported yet, or an account could have closed, right? I'll have to see a report, but it's just an equation, you guys. Like scores just don't drop. Like, you know what I'm saying? Not 100 points. All right. Do you think adding paid zombie debt is worth it to thicken your credit profile report or trend? No. The only situation zombie debt would be useful is if you're trying to get you like a super luxury car or like a like a Lambo or something like that, because you can't just go buy some of those cars, right? You have to be referred, or you have to have had one in the past. So if you get, you know, $150,000 auto loan of zombie debt attached to your credit report, and then you go to the dealership, that's the only reason I would see it. Other than that, there's really no point. Should I send the letters to dispute collections or just set up payment plan with the company? Ma, you want to dispute that stuff? Ma, I told you where to go. Get that King Credit Bundle. Hit the link in my bio and go run it up. Trying to send you private message but can't. Here, I think I gotta follow you. So, Aya, I just followed you back. I just joined. Why you do me like that? Don't do me like that. Late payments. Yeah, you can dispute late payments. If you want to do it yourself, hit the link in my bio, get them King Credit Bundle. If you want us to do it, shoot me a DM. Okay. She said, make me a mod. Nah, you don't want to be a mod. I go live too much. I have good credit, but can't apply for any credit alone. Don't know why. I mean, if I look at your credit report, I'll be able to tell you why in 10 seconds. Want to buy a house and really need that. Okay, thank you. I got the PDF to dispute the inquiry. Hopefully it goes well. Let's go. Let's go. Is it hard to go to 742 to 800? It's not hard. It's going to take a little time. Right? It takes a little time. So once you get in the 700 club, you want to get to the 8s, it's going to be all about your utilization and your average credit age, right? So you might need to add an authorized user or two to increase that credit age to help you out, right? But here's the thing. People try to add authorized users too quick and too many of them, okay? Authorized user is worthless if that's your only account, right? So you want to have you at least 4 or 5 primaries on your report before you even think about adding an authorized user. Okay. Do you fix credit score and boost your credit? Crystal Dior. That's correct. Go ahead, shoot me a DM. Okay. DM me the word King. Let's go. Let's go. 832. Hey, let's go. These are all client results. Actually, I've had this stuff on here for a minute. Let's change this up. Yeah. Dang, DJ Khaled, baby. You know, we the best. Oh, wait. Hold on. There was something that a topic dropped today that I did want to talk about. Hold on. Oh, here we go. Here we go. So, so the CFPB in 2024, but actually starting 2023 too, they started to get a lot more jurisdiction and a lot more power of what they can do. So the CFPB, you know how those late fees you get on your credit cards, you know, it used to be like $25 to $32, but then they got it down to 8, the max they can charge you, and the credit card companies are getting mad. They fighting back. So all the banking groups got together and they're suing the CFPB, right? They're suing the CFPB because an $8 late fee charge isn't enough. Man, them boys is greedy. Them boys is greedy. All right, let's get into some of these results, man. Let's jump into some of these results. Sent you a DM. Cool, cool, cool. All right, let's go. So this is the type of stuff you want to see right here. Okay? This is the type of stuff, even if you're not working with us, this is what you want to see. All right? These type of deletions right here. Okay? Wait, I can't even see that. Hold on, let me move this. Capital One, extra card. Right? So these were updated to positive. All right, so that usually means that the late payments were removed. Okay, that usually means the late payments were removed. Let me see. Why is this not working? Yeah, sorry, y'all. This is being weird. It's not letting me post. It's not letting me put the stuff I want. Oh shit! Stay away from this dude. That's crazy. It's the dude that's scamming people right here. Okay, what he doing is he waits till I go live. Okay, he waits until I go live, and then he's reaching out to people. So he got multiple fake accounts like King Credit. I say King Credit. That's not us, you guys. I would never reach out and tell you to send me money on Cash App. All right. If they're doing business with Cash App and if they think it's an actual business, it's not. All right. I'm telling you guys, don't send money on Cash App when it comes to credit repair services. Just don't do it. It's common sense. Okay. Okay. It's for your protection. All right. Because if you send money, Zelle, Cash App, Venmo, whatever it is, that person can just take your money and leave. Like there's no, you can't charge it back. You can't tell your bank. There's nothing you can do. Right? So don't be sending money Cash App, y'all. Like we will never tell you to do this. All right. So I'm not sure who this dude is, but he's been scamming people. Okay, he's been scamming people. Now I'm scared. Why are you scared? There's nothing to be scared about. Nothing to be scared about. Half the battle, you guys, half the battle is a little common sense. That's half the battle, right? Half the battle. If you're about to go, so let's say you go to a new city, right? You visiting some family or something, you go to a new city. You want to go eat out, you want to go eat, you choose a restaurant. What's the first thing you're gonna do to that restaurant? You're gonna type it into Google. What's the next thing you're gonna do? Check the reviews, right? I'm gonna check the reviews. If the reviews say 1 star, I'm not going to that restaurant. It's the same shit with your credit repair people. There's obvious red flags that people are choosing to ignore, right? Choosing to ignore. If you're scrolling through if you're scrolling through and they say we guarantee anything after that, you should leave. Okay, real credit repair companies, we know we can't guarantee results. All right, we can't guarantee results, so that's a red flag. So just by you knowing that, and you see another person saying we guarantee results, that should just tell you that they don't have the integrity. So you shouldn't be rocking with them anyways. Like kind of common sense shit, right? Another thing is, if you want to sign up for services and if they say Zelle me or Cash App me, run the other way, y'all. What we doing? We selling packs? What we doing? We sell. Hey, send me on Apple Pay, bro. If you don't get out of here with that, no real business is using Cash App for services. I'm sorry, y'all. That's not how it's going down. All right, stop falling for that. The third one is, okay, the person should be on Yelp, Google, somewhere where you can see some actual reviews. Okay, where you can see some actual reviews. So here, let me pull it up. Hold on. Right, some actual reviews. So hold on. Right, boom. Should be some actual reviews. And I don't think y'all know how hard it is to get this type of rating in a credit repair company, as a credit repair company. All right. But yeah, they should have some damn reviews. And this is just the Google ones. This isn't the Yelp or the or my social media ones or nothing like that. Those are just the ones on just the ones on Google. Yes, sir. All right, let me see what's going on. So you can't remove late payments. Yes, you can. So is Credit Strong good to raise your credit score quickly? Credit Strong's cool, but Kovo's better. So it's just me. Hit the link in my bio, scroll down, and says starter accounts. I have Credit Strong on there too, but Kovo, I like Kovo a little bit better. I applied for a car loan through my credit union, and they want me to clear my Experian credit alerts. The alerts are like the comments. Will? Like the remarks? Oh, shit. My bad. I'm over here on Instagram. My fault, y'all. I bought the bundle but lost it. Is it possible to get it again? Just type in King Credit Bundle into your search bar. It's in there. I applied for a car loan and they said I have to clear Experian security alerts. All right, yeah. So you asked the same question. Okay. So yeah, you can call and get that stuff removed. Yeah. The remarks and stuff, you can just call and get that stuff removed. That's not too difficult. I love my great credit. Let's go. I love it too. Let's go. All right, y'all. It's 11:11. Man, it's Free Game Friday. That's my first session. I go live twice a day, 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. Pacific time during the week, then 11 a.m. on Saturdays and Sundays. I will be back later on today at 4 p.m. Pacific time. All right, so thanks for tuning in. Hope y'all learned a little something. I will be back later on. If you need a free consultation, don't hesitate to reach out. Shoot me a DM. Okay, make sure y'all follow me and everywhere too. Then somebody had asked about the mentorship earlier. Let me see if it's even on here. So yeah, the mentorship. Oh shoot, they gonna kick me off for that. I can't show that one. If you show prices or anything on TikTok, they kick you off. All right, so the mentorship stuff, just hit the link in my bio. It says King Credit Mentorship. All the information's on there. So the mentorship is where I teach you how to start your own credit repair company. You spend a week with me, 2 or 3 hours a day. So about 10 to 15 hours with me. We go over personal credit, finding inaccuracies, structuring your personal credit, starting your business, a compliant business too, not just some rinky-dink nonsense, right? You got to get registered in some states. You got to get bonded in some states. You got to get registered and bonded in some states, right? So I take you through all that. I take you through, take you through the FCRA, take you through the FDCPA. We go through a whole bunch of different stuff. Then we go through all the softwares and stuff that you need, standard operating procedures, SOPs. And then I think the last day we tie it all in together. I have some guest speakers come up. I have someone come up to talk about bankruptcies. I have someone come up to talk about some taxes. I have some VAs come up talk about how the VAs can help your company. And then I have some previous mentees that come up also. All right, so that's all in 1 week. Man, we go crazy. All right, so if you're interested in that, the mentorship is open. Hit the link in my bio. It says King Credit Mentorship. But all right, y'all, let's go. He said, how much? I got some different tiers. There's some different tiers. So all that stuff's on the website. All right, go check it out. All that stuff's on the website. But all right, y'all, I'll see y'all later, man. 4 p.m. Let me see. What did it say? How do you sign up? Shoot me a DM. Okay, DM me the word King if you're looking for a free consultation. All right, DM me the word King. All right, y'all. Happy Friday, man. Hope y'all get some work done. And I'll be back later on today. Peace. Y'all have a good day. Yes, sir. All right, y'all.